Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to save story to your archive on Instagram. Maybe you want your story on Instagram to be saved on your archive, but you don't know how. So today I am going to teach you on how you can save your story on your archive on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your Instagram profile at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile page, simply tap on these three lines in the upper right corner of your screen and then select Settings and Privacy. From here, you have to scroll down. And you'll see in here Archiving and Downloading. Simply tap on it. And then in here, as you can see, saving to archive. Below that, you will see save story to archive. If you want to automatically save photos and videos to archive, so you don't have to save them to your phone. Only you can see your archive. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can save story to archive, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can save story to your archive, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.